What is good? Yo, it is me, Samuel Semi, and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you how I edit my videos. Okay? Yeah, I'll be low-key doing it.
Huh?
On my how I edit my videos on my phone.
Nigga, what?
Subscribe. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, this is what my phone looks like. The app I use is InShot right over there. I'll have to click on InShot. Yeah, let it load up. Ba ba ba. Okay, once it's loaded, I'll just select the video. I do my thumbnails here too, like on pictures and all those type of things. So right now we're just going to select video. Ow. So once we're here, we're going to choose the video that we want to edit. So just choose that video and then trim it first. After I trim it, I'll just select the check mark. Okay, the first thing I do when I get to this point is I remove the watermarks. Y'all may like it with the watermarks, but I don't like it, so I have to remove it. Let it load up. Okay, once that is done, the second thing that I do is make sure that my video is set on the frame that I use is on YouTube, bro. Actually 16.9 YouTube, right? And then the next thing I do is go to filter and I'll adjust my lightness, and then I don't know what else I do, but I just make sure that my video looks good. I go to every single thing until I see that my videos look dope. So once that is done, the next thing is I trim the video. Once I trim it, like a trim, cut and all those type of things, I select the parts that I don't really want on my video, and then I move on to something else. Okay, once I'm done trimming my video, I delete the parts that I don't want, then I get to editing, more and more editing. Okay, the most thing that I like to do is to put some sound on any type of my intros, like when I'm saying what is good, yeah, like the intro of this video, I'll just put something like a cannon, like boom, some shit like that. So once I do that, I'll just have to find a little, the one that gives a vibe, right? Because we want more people to watch our videos. We want people to not feel bored when they first click on your video. So that's what we do. We act that. Okay, so you have to try to get it right, bro, because you don't want it to be offbeat. Have you ever heard of a song that is offbeat? Yeah, we don't want it to be like that. We want it to be straight up on the beat. And then after I put the, once I put the canon on, I'll have to select a sound that I really, the background sound, the background music, I can say it like that. So let's do that. As y'all can see, this video that I'm editing is the same video that I'm using, so you'll hear this sound, the background sound that I'm using right now. This was the sound that I selected. You have to make sure that everything sounds good too. Like if your background music don't match what your reaction to the video or your energy to the video, you have to switch it up. Change, find some shit that's really dope that suits your video. So the other thing that I like, that I used to not know, is to, like, when I want to zoom on my videos, I'll use some filter, but now I know what to do. I'll just have to cut the clip that I want to zoom in and then click canvas, and then I pinch it to zoom, and this is what it looks like when it's all done. So the other thing that I like to do is to put like some of my You see, every video that I make, I like to explain some like words that people won't understand about what I'm saying. So I have to write it down like a subtitle. So I'll just write it. And some people use the other ways, but I like to do this. Okay? Don't judge me. This is what I do. So I use this subtitle and put it down there to make the video a little more exciting and dope, and for people to understand what I'm saying, because my English is not that good, bro. Y'all know it. Y'all can hear it too. Bruh, I just misspelled y'all. What the heck? Okay, there's this. When you want the way to choose what you want your videos to your subtitle to appear like. So I use this one because I like the way that it comes out, just like jump zoom or something like that. When it comes out, it's just like you pushed it or you throw it in there. So yeah, that's what I like to do. As y'all can see, these are the results of the subtitle thingy once I put it on. So yeah, keep watching. Y'all see the pinch zoom thing that it makes your video seems a little bit interesting and dope, some things like that. So yeah. So there's this thing. Once you want to add like an intro, when you're making like a reacting video, this is one of the things that I yo, and now y'all like the video, so like for part 2, subscribe for part 2, right? Subscribe for freaking part 2.